my name is Bonnie Keith. I began using the Monat product line about 2 months ago, before quarantine happened. My hair just didn't seem as voluminous as I would have liked, and the day after I washed it, I noticed that you could actually see some spots down to the scalp, and that kind of really bothered me. And as it says right here on the bottle, this product moisturizes, cleanses, and thickens. I am using the Monat Black shampoo and conditioner, and the difference that it has made for me, I haven't had a haircut, obviously, because of the quarantine in over 2 months, and normally my hair, it would start to just flatten down. It would be even crazier than it is now, but not in a healthy looking way. It would be all straggly and the curl wouldn't be there, especially as it gets longer, it would just get heavier. But this shampoo and conditioner has given it life. It's light. It feels great. I do nothing but wash it and go like this, and I have my hair, and it's got the volume that I wanted, and you can no longer see those little bald spots down to my scalp. So not just do I highly recommend these products, but more important is the incredible personalized customer service that you get from Chela Ruiz. She is fantastic, she is communicative, she is helpful, she is knowledgeable, she's professional. So my recommendation to you is check out this line of product through Chela Ruiz. You will be thrilled that you did. Thanks again. And again, my name is Bonnie Keith, and I'm a very happy customer of Chela Ruiz with her Monat product line. Thank you.